Hello guys, this video about Unit 3 in your textbooks, Oxford International Primary Computing. We're going to discuss a new program this time. We're going to learn some new features about this program, and it's going to be the basics actually. So let's start. After reading pages 36, 37, taking an overview about what we're going to learn, we're going to start page 38, number values and labels. Okay, now how do we get Excel? First of all, as we all know, you go to Start, All Programs, under Microsoft Office, you will find Excel. All right, under Microsoft Office, you will find Excel. Now, probably some computers have 2010, 2011. It depends which version of Microsoft you have. So I've opened the Microsoft program here. Let's start discussing it. First of all, it's really basic and simple for a start. As you can see, it's all here, right? Looking like tables. It's like all small blocks, full of small blocks here and there. At the top of the blocks, you will see the letters. These letters are, okay, the columns letter. This is column A, column B, column C. If you click on the column letter, all will be highlighted. At the side, you will see numbers. These are the rows. So these are the row numbers, row 1, row 2, row 3. In order, all right, to call a cell, these small blocks are called cell. See them? All of these cells, cell, cell, cell here. Each cell has a name. The name of each cell, we call it a reference, a cell reference. So if I say, what's the cell reference for this one? So the cell reference will start with the column letter, then the row number. So this is C4. The name of this cell is C4. The cell reference is C4. All right, that's easy so far. Now, inside each cell, we can type either number value or a label. All right, so the value is a number, label is words. So this is a value because it's a number. This is a word because it's a word. Be careful, whenever you're typing, don't include words with numbers. No. So for example, we're going to say 12 centimeters. Don't put 12 centimeters in the same cell. No. Put 12 alone, centimeter in the other cell. That's an example. So let's start. In your textbook, activity about creating a spreadsheet, there's an example about how to create a spreadsheet here, page 39. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. First, we're going to start from cell A1 as they started. Class survey. Class. You see the words getting over the other cell. This doesn't mean that this E and Y is in this cell. No, this cell is empty. However, we have to adjust the column width. You can click and drag from the top. Can you see? Place the mouse in the line at the top of the column and then click and drag to make it bigger or smaller. And they left the cell empty. They typed here, what do we want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up? Let's see. Same. We didn't type over here. It's all under this cell. But they show that they're on top of the other cells. Just ignore it. You don't have to keep like adjusting it all like that. No, it doesn't matter. Let's just adjust it this way. You have, let's make it bigger a little bit, and then type at A5 doctor, A6 computer programmer, now I don't want to finish it all. Let's start with the number value. B5, so this is B5, they typed 4 of the students wants to be doctors, 2 of the students want to be computer programmers, and so on. So that's what you're going to practice today to type. All right. Now, if you have any question, just let me know. Thank you, and I hope you understood this lesson easily.